Good morning, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and I just want to give you a quick tutorial on how the polar vortex this winter has really been our enemy, and has kept the cold pretty much contained to our immediate northern regions, and the poles, and Asia. Well, really Russia, but um, and Siberia. Uh, But I just wanted you to watch this as this keeps rotating. Watch as it keeps rotating. You can see that it really never bleeds down to our into the eastern part of the country. It's like it just doesn't go outside these black lines that I've drawn. Um, you can see it has moments where it starts to bleed, and then it just um, retreats back to the poles. And most of the cold has been contained to, you know, Canada and the northern tier of the country, and really and the western part down here in the Rockies area. So it hasn't really bled, sorry, down and resulted into the eastern part of the country. And it's just amazing. I think usually we have a severe warming, stratospheric warming event, and that allows the cold. Now, it does bleed a little bit, and this is about the 16th, and you can see right here is where it is really like Arctic cold, kind of, but not. It lasts for like a day, and then it pulls out. So that's been our enemy. We've met our enemy, and it's it's the polar vortex, and that has resulted basically in all these teleconnections, which I show you daily. How the PNA and the NAO works. There's no blocking, so it doesn't keep any cold fronts in, and EPO doesn't allow cold air to escape down to the uh, eastern part of the country or the middle. It does escape, but this is indicating that it's probably just going to go down to the middle part of the country. So you got to be careful sometimes when you look at these indices, because it's deceiving, because you're going to say, well, it's going to get colder, but where is it going to get colder? And it looks like it's going to stay cold right where it's always has been, in the west and in the northern tier of the country. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios.